Hello friends, welcome back to the Coastal Vlogger channel, and I guess I am audible right now to you people. So mask is compulsory these days. Right now I am in the highway of Udupi Mangalore. I'm not going to Mangalore actually, just a general tutorial on the driving thing. So it's been almost 2 years I have not driven a geared vehicle like a manual one since the time we have bought the Baleno. So now I'll just try out the manual car. So let us start off with the first gear. So the most important thing is the length in this vehicle. I'm usually scared about the length only because here and there it's very difficult to turn and estimate whether it's easy to go or not. So let's just go right now. So I have put the second gear. Now we'll go for the third. So I'll go to the right side lane. Now the fourth. Changing of gears is easier once you reach a higher speed. So that's not an issue actually. So since we are in the highway, fifth gear is very essential comparatively. So you can see the highway, it's clear because of the previous lockdowns here and there, and the vehicles are also not so too many, just a bunch of 10-20 vehicles maybe here and there on the straight line. So you can see in the front there is no vehicles. In the back there are many, so they may pass right now. The highways are clear these days, so if anyone has to study driving and all, it's best preferred in these times actually. You can easily learn how to drive very easily. Just two vehicles have passed now, so you can see at the back it's empty now. So it has been a very long lockdown here in India. In Karnataka right now relaxations are going on. We have just entered the Kapu area right here. You can see there's a mosque in the front. So once you cross that mosque, Kapu is arrived. Go to Kapu, but you have to go inside the city. Right now we are not going. Probably I'll go till the toll gate which is in Padubidri, not more than that, or else I may turn here only from Kapu, because this is just a tutorial. I am doing it for myself. The highways are clear, you can go a little bit faster also. Usually in automatic vehicles I go faster. Earlier when there were geared vehicles also have driven a bit fast, but right now it's preferable for me not to go fast in this long vehicle actually. I'm a bit nervous also here and there, because it's been 2 years, right? Almost 3 since we sold our Ertiga, which was our last manual vehicle. It's been 3.5 years almost we sold it. So this is actually Kapu. Kapu just passed down there below the bridge actually, and we'll go to another district now within some minutes. So these are all coastal areas. That's why I picked the name Coastal Vlogger previously. So since we live in the coastal region like Udupi, Kap, Padubidri, all are coastal areas. When Malpe comes, it's It's in Udupi only exactly. So friends, I just stopped here in Kapu. So here a mosque is also there. It's a plain road. It's on the highway. So first time I'm going out actually. Sorry, I did the U-turn over there somewhere. So the video got cut by mistake due to a small mistake. So right now we'll just check the sound system in the vehicle. So now I'm gonna sit in this side. I did a little bit, so let's just put the seat belt. So seat belts are very important. You can easily get a challan of 200 to 300 rupees if you are not wearing seat belt, especially in like this vehicles. So my uncle will just drive the vehicle. Now I already showed you regarding the sticker, the color, and I'll just show you the display right now. So this is a very cool display. It's completely touchscreen. So the music is played. So I'll just increase the volume and show you. So since it's JBL system, the cover is the same, but inside the sound, the JBL component system is put. You can see even new twits are there here at the sides. So that is the plus point of the vehicle. And just this will mute the system also, and you just go to the home screen. So you can see it's like a big tablet, like an iPad or something. You can see you get radio, you get phone, you get music, videos, then aux also is available. You can the plugs are over here. So we use these pen drives in order to connect to the music. And I already told you regarding this special button for the fog light, and the touchscreen, the big touchscreen, which is actually very good, very comfortable also. So this is actually Kapu. I'll show you more nicely now. So this is our temple also here in Kapu, and there is another temple over there. Now we are gonna go on the flyover. So Kapu will get missed over down here. So this you can see Kapu goes down there, and this is the top. So that is Kapu, and this is another temple. So that is called Marigudi. Actually there are 3 Marigudis. So we go to the middle one over there. There are 2 other which is inside the city. One is inside the city, another is here on the highway. And you can see if you go more straight you will reach Kundapura. The another entrance for Kapu is from this road over here. So since the highways have become a bit better these days, it's more comfortable for us now, no problem. So I just removed the mask in order to get more I can explain a bit more. So sound system I already showed you, and these new seat covers with this cushion, this I bought it in Amazon. So about this I'll just put a link in the description below. And you can see the bucket seats or the captain seats, which they call in Toyota. So they look brand new. So we actually went to the accessory shop to get a floor mat. So regarding that I'll do a separate video. These days I am doing a video daily so that I get more and more subscribers. So please keep on subscribing, liking my videos and commenting. Also share the videos with your friends, relatives. So right now I'll just show you the entrance to Udupi. So there's a big dwara for in case of your Udupi, which is very beautifully made. So I'll just make a hyperlapse till then. So kindly stay with me. So friends, we reached the Udupi Dwara. So like I promised, I'll just show you the Dwara. So it's right over there. You can see it's in the top. So we'll just pass by here. So this is one special thing regarding Udupi. Usually when you enter Mangalore and all, there is only flyovers, there is no Dwara or something. But in case of this Udupi, especially, we have this Dwara which goes like straight like this, and in the opposite side they have made another Dwara regarding one temple of Durga Parameshwari temple actually. So this is Udupi Dwara. So Sri Krishna's chariot with Arjuna is there in the middle there, and up Madhvacharya is also there. So in the opposite side we have another new Dwara that is on this side actually. There's a hump. So this is a brand new one, just painted recently. So it's very beautiful also on this side. And you can see there down you have the highway this, and here this is Sri Krishna's. You can see Sri Krishna there on the chariot. So very beautiful. This side, in these roads actually leads us to inside roads to Ajarkad and all. So this goes to Ajarkad, and the accessory shop which I usually talk with you people about, it's on the right hand side. I think I didn't show you till now because I never got any proper time actually to show you also. So there is the A to Z accessory shop. So that is the place where we put all the accessories, goods, and it's a beautiful place, like very big and spacious. His another shop is going to open soon, so regarding that also I'll show you soon. So this is Udupi. So if you go a bit more straight, you reach our city in Udupi. So that's a good thing. So right now I am gonna end my vlog here, and probably in the upcoming vlogs I'll show you more and more information, more videos. I'll share many more things. So my next vlog will be regarding how to make sanitizer at home. I already made some things ready at home. So once it gets ready, I'll just make that video and show it to you people. So until then, please subscribe, like the videos, and please comment. Until next time.